Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Emily.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
How old are you?
I'm 28 years old.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on October 15th.
Where were you born?
I was born in Sydney.
What's your phone number?
My phone number is 305-678-1234.
What's your email address?
It's emilyoz@gmail.com.
What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
What is your marital status?
I'm single.
Do you have any children?
No, I don't have any children.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Who do you live with?
I live alone.
What time do you have breakfast?
I usually have breakfast at 8 a.m.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed around 11 p.m.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is sushi.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy painting, hiking, and playing the guitar.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak two languages, English and Spanish.
Where is your brother?
He's at work right now.
What does he do?
He's a teacher.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Where is your cat?
She's in the garden.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
What book are you reading?
I'm reading To Kill a Mockingbird.
Is there anything I can do to help?
No, I'm good, but thank you.
Would you mind closing the window?
Sure, I'll do that.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to a concert with some friends.
What will you do tomorrow?
I plan to go hiking.
Do you know John?
Yes, he's my coworker.
Have you ever been to Japan?
No, but I'd love to visit someday.
Is the coffee shop near here?
Yes, it's just around the corner.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go running every morning.
Is this pen yours?
No, it isn't mine.
Can you help me move this table?
Of course, let's do it together.
How long do you think it will take?
It shouldn't take more than a few minutes.
Did you rent your apartment?
Yes, I did.
Do you often cook at home?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What would you like to eat?
I'd love to have pasta.
How does it taste?
It's really good.
What would you like for dessert?
I think I'll have ice cream.
What would you like to drink?
Just water, please.
Is there a pharmacy near here?
Yes, there's one down the street.
Can I speak to Sarah, please?
I'm sorry, she's not available right now.
When will she be back?
She should be back in an hour.
Do you think she'll like the gift?
I'm sure she will.
Do you think you can finish the project?
I'll do my best.
Excuse me, what did you say?
I said I'll do my best.
Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, that's all. Thanks.
Anything else?
No, that's it.
What happened to you?
I twisted my ankle.
How was your weekend?
It was great. Thanks for asking.
Where can I park my car?
You can park it in the driveway.
Do you know where the library is?
Yes, it's next to the post office.
Do you usually travel during holidays?
Yes, I like to visit new places.
Are these your shoes?
Yes, they are.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and catch up on reading.
Why did you quit your job?
I wanted to try something new.
Do we need to bring anything to the picnic?
Just some snacks and drinks.
May I ask you something?
Sure, go ahead.
Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, at 2 p.m.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
How tall are you?
I'm 5.7 feet.
Are you new to this area?
Yes, I just moved here last month.
When did you start learning Spanish?
I started a year ago.
Can I pay by debit card?
Yes, we accept debit cards.
What do you do in your free time?
I enjoy cooking and gardening.
How would you describe your personality?
I'm friendly, creative, and hardworking.
Where did you go for your last vacation?
I went to Italy.
Are you Canadian?
No, I'm Australian.